This course is intended to give the learner a short but comprehensive introduction to preventing and managing challenging and other hazardous behaviours. It deals with both preventative and reactive strategies and approaches, and how to manage people who are being threatening, abusive, angry, or aggressive. The vast majority of people we meet are friendly and polite. However, a minority can be unfriendly, threatening, abusive, angry, aggressive, or violent. This short course, which should take about 20 minutes, is designed to give you a basic understanding of how we can help prevent incidents from occurring in the first place, and when this is not possible, how we can manage and de-escalate a situation that has already developed. This is the first module in a series of progressive training modules that deal with all levels of disruptive, challenging, and hazardous behaviour. By the end of this course, you should feel more confident should you ever be required to deal with an angry, abusive, or threatening person. The aims of this course are to increase awareness and therefore reduce the risks of incidents occurring. To help you recognise the signs that a person is or is becoming angry or challenging and how you should react. To think about why these incidents happen in the first place and ensure that your intervention or behaviour does not increase the risk. It will provide you with an action plan or strategy to follow, to make you aware of the procedure, guidelines, and the law that supports you when taking positive action. This course is all about people's behaviour and what we should do if their behaviour is challenging or threatening. The ideal situation is when people are friendly towards us. In this case, we can mirror their behaviour by being friendly back. And if they are more businesslike and simply wish to be routine about what they're doing, then they would probably appreciate us acting the same way and being routine or businesslike in return. The difficulties arise when the other person's behaviour becomes challenging or threatening. For the first time, we cannot mirror their behaviour without almost certainly increasing the risk of escalating the situation. In this instance, we require a positive strategy. It's worth remembering that very few people will take the option of aggressive or violent behaviour. It is important we maintain a positive attitude throughout and do not expect or invite trouble. What sort of behaviour might we expect from these people? Would we expect them to be friendly and decent, or difficult, disruptive, or even dangerous? Is it possible that we could expect a different response from each of them and so treat them differently? We should avoid making assumptions and prejudgments. This could affect the way we interact with people. If we are judgmental in our approach, it may influence their behaviour towards us. We should always adopt a positive approach to the way we interact with people. We can do this by being non-judgemental and not making assumptions. By believing challenging behaviour always happens for a reason and can be understood and managed. By believing a positive outcome is possible. And by accepting that sometimes our best efforts may fail through no fault of our own.